Assalamu alaikum. Today, I will show you how to reset Samsung A52 and A72 manually. I don't know the lock setup on the device, so I'm trying again and again. After connecting the USB device, hold down the volume down key and the power key. This is my USB cable, now plug it into my device. Hold power button plus volume down button together. As soon as skin off, we release volume down button, hold volume up button, don't release power button. Now in recovery mode, I will release both buttons. Now press volume down button and go to Web Data Factory Reset. After pressing the volume down button, I will go to Factory Data Reset and then press the power button. Factory Data Reset is complete. Now reboot system and press power button. Now I can remove the USB cable. It will take some time for the device to turn on. I have skipped the video. Start. Agree to all optional. Agree. Skype. Skype. Don't copy. Next. More. Accept. Skype. Skip anyway. Next. Skype. Skype. Accept. Finish.